Join us today as we go to the EPCOT International Flower and Garden Show, looking at some trees here at EPCOT.
Hi, I'm Paul. I'm with Bonsai of Florida. Also, you might know me on my YouTube channel, Orlando Bonsai TV. We're here at EPCOT right now. We're in front of the Japanese pavilion. This is the Zen Garden area, which we have 5 trees on display. We also have a total of 18 trees throughout the pavilion. Each year we select the best trees of all of Florida and display them for the duration. It goes from March 3rd, generally early March, all the way up to 4th of July weekend. We're having a great year this year. A lot of people see the trees here. A lot of first-time people experience bonsai, and it's a great location to display those trees.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time today.
Sure.
Welcome for joining us here at EPCOT. Here we're at the International Flower and Garden Show. And it's going through all the way through July 4th. Here we have a weeping fig in a grove. Awesome tree here. I mean, something that we don't get to see here in Southern Cal are these really tropical trees. Kind of awesome to see the different varieties that they have here. Here's a little leaf ficus. Looks like a multiple trunk. Maybe a little closer. Let's check out the nabari. Really nice nabari on that one. The fun part about these trees get displayed for almost a good 6 months out here, starting in early February. Here's a really awesome cascade, Henkenkai, Green Island ficus here. Awesome tree. Look at that delineation. You can actually see the negative space. These trees has been trimmed. You can see some of the fresh cuts. Zoom in a little bit. You can see some of those fresh cuts. So someone has been maintaining these while they're on show here. Here's another, this is Ficus 89, which is a sub-variety of the willow leaf ficus. Apparently they're a little larger leaf, and it is a little larger leaf. Really awesome, powerful trunk, nice nabari, and the leaves are surprisingly a little bigger. Never knew about that one. Here's a giant crepe myrtle. This is, let me stand back. That's huge. That's a really powerful trunk. Talking at least 24 inches. I think from trunk to trunk line there is about 2 feet almost, 18 inches. And a very big deep pot. I wish it could have been a little smaller, but nice strong trunk line. The branches are like perfectly spaced out. I wonder what color this is. LED, what color of the flowers would be kind of cool to see. There's more trees over here. Maybe lock on this side. There's a really wide tiger bark ficus. It has some area roots. You can see those area roots. In subtropical or tropical areas, they're really a dominant feature here. I wish we could do that in Southern Cal. I think we're a little too dry. There are ways to encourage those air roots. Maybe we can find someone that's local to help us describe that. Here is a flat top style Brazilian rain tree. A really tropical tree. Can grow in Southern Cal. Their leaves kind of droop during when sunlight hours are down. But this one just looks like a tree from the Serengeti, almost like a acacia tree. Well done on that one. Nice. I love the barkage. This is a tree I've never seen before. It's called a Roe Blanco. Roe Blanco. I have no idea what that is. Looks like a subtropical tree. Has a little bit reverse taper on the nabari, but other than that, really unusual tree. Looks like it's been trained for 30 years. That pot is awesome looking though. That pot looks like a old Canton pot. Got another tree here in that main display area. Here is a Texas ebony. Never seen one of those real trees. Let me zoom in a little bit there. The bark is awesome. The Nabari looks really good on that tree, especially being out here for this many months. I wonder if they really switch them out. And that's a testament of some of these artists leaving these trees out for EPCOT to use. I'm gonna walk down that way, and then I'm gonna show some more trees. Let me zoom out a little bit.
By the way, not worth it.
I don't care.
There's a little sign Bonsai, really nice, put together by the EPCOT. Let me stand back. Actually, let me stand up on this stool. Let me zoom out a little bit. So that's a classic buttonwood. I'm sorry I can't do that. A little on these tall pedestals, which is kind of cool to design. Here is a Willow's Ficus in a banyan style, which we're trying to form at home. Let me zoom up. See there. Really nice ramification, and done well. It looks like a Japanese pot, actually, almost. How many trunks does someone give me? Someone count for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Looks like 17 trunks. Well done. Canopy looks really well ramified. Let's do under the skirt. Let's do under the skirt shot. Looks pretty good. Well done. Whoever had this one was well done tree. There's another green eyeless ficus with those air roots. See, those air roots are really cool. Let me get me up and close to personal here. Those air roots, I've seen people use straws to really put those air roots down a little bit. Not bad. I wish we could do it in Southern Cal. Here's one of the big, I gotta zoom up. I had to look up. Unfortunately, these are on giant pedestals. I wish, see, wrong way. Here's a Chinese fringe tree. So we have this in the in California. They're that really frilly, they flower usually that white or fuchsia purple kind of flowers. It kind of looks like a crepe myrtle trunk, and it looks really close to a crepe myrtle trunk because it's so old. Awesome tree though. Let me turn around. Of course, this is that. Here's EPCOT the ball. There's a giant gate here. I'm gonna turn around to one of the main areas. It's all over there. So let me splice in the video from the president of the, I think the Orlando Club area, right around now. Here we have is a pink Bogovia. Looks like a Santa Barbara variety. Really nice trunk. It looks like they limestone for the trunk, especially how soft these trunks are. That hollow is actually kind of cool. Great time to flower. There is some wire on that one. It's nice, well done, kind of hidden. Here's another tree I've never seen before. It's called a splash pine. I've never seen it. The needles are actually really weeping style. It is an old tree, just based on that barkage. Right behind that is Australian pine. We've seen those trees before in Southern Cal. They grow pretty big. That looks like it's one of the sabimakis, which is a hollow trunk in the front, or like a open trunk in the front, and with the exposed Nabari line. Right there is a really powerful root over rock. That is a Willow's Ficus. Let me zoom that in really quick. Really nice trunk, nice wrappage on that one, really well ramified. And the last but not least, that's here. There is a small garden over there. We'll walk over there for a bit, but that is a bottle brush, a red bottle brush. You see those, they leave a lot of mess, but that's a really beautiful tree there. Nice pot too, actually well put a combination there. Go to Kaidamas. These are these almost look like moss balls. Oh yeah, they're like moss balls, and they're encased in these like moss balls, basically. I mean, that's kind of cool. Oh, see, moss balls. Really cool. Really nice display here. There you go. If you guys like the EPCOT, well, bonsais here at the EPCOT International Flower and Garden Show, just like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.